Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to my first makeup tutorial. I decided to switch things up just a tad bit, but yeah, I'll be back to jump right into this video. So first we're going to start off with prepping my skin. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Baby Skin, and then I'm going to use the RK Pore Minimizer as well. Both of these are real moisturizing, so these are also acting as my moisturizer. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the Milk of Magnesia. So moisturizing your skin is very important if you're going to use this, especially if you use makeup every single day. So yeah, I'm just going to even that out on all over my skin because my skin is extremely oily, and I'm just using a cotton pad. So once that's all even out, I'm just making sure that it's fully dry before I jump into doing any type of makeup on my face. And then after this, I'm jumping right into eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow with my Morphe eyebrow brush. I'm not going into full detail on how I do my eyebrows because I do plan on doing a separate video once I become more expert and pro at it. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. But for here, this is just how I do my basic normal routine eyebrows.
I've been down, I've been bad, only rags, ain't had no bag, used to laugh, shit was so bad, yeah.
So now that we're finishing my eyebrows, now I'm just going to use some of my Morphe eyelid primer before I go in with my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques concealer brush. And now I'm going with my Glamierre Color Artistry palette. I just got this, so this is my first time trying it. And I'm starting off with that real deep blue. I'm just going to pack that onto my eyelid, and then I eventually blend it out with a lighter color as well. Now I'm blending out that dark blue with the lighter blue, just to make sure everything's even out, no harsh lines. I'm just making sure everything's blended really well. Now I'm just going with my micellar cleansing water. I'm just going to clean this eyelid up a bit with all the blue on it. And then I'm going to go in with my P.Louise base in number 0 and cut this crease.
I'll take the charge, I'ma go hard, I ride like a car. With me, I'll keep you focused, we will go far. Show me you real, show me you loyal, show me you different. My heart is broken, I know you feel it, I can't do this again. So once I finish cutting my crease, I'm going back in on the corner of that crease with my dark deep blue color. And then I'm going in with this pretty turquoise. I'm kind of freestyling as I'm going along. There's no, set look that I'm going for. But I was going for like a block look. So I'm trying like, the blue here, the
turquoise here, and then 2 other colors as I go. So yeah, just stay tuned. It's coming together, y'all. Trust me. Trust the process. So once I finish off with this turquoise, I am going to finish off this cut crease with this pretty sunny yellow in the top left corner. And then it also has a glitter yellow underneath that to match it. I don't know, guys. I just feel like their glitters in this palette, it just look better in the palette. It's hard to explain, but it's like soon as the glitter touch the brush, I just don't like it. I don't like the texture of it. It appears wet. And it doesn't too much stick on my eyelid. I just don't think I'll be using any of their glitters in this palette, but I didn't let that ruin this look. I did work with it, and I pushed through. It still came out great. But yeah, so we're just gonna finish this off with this yellow and then move on. So now I'm just applying my lashes. I pretty much applied my lashes off camera because I suck at applying my own lashes and it takes me forever in a day. So yeah, I just did it off camera. I got these lashes off at Amazon, but I don't remember what the name of it, so I'm sorry guys. But yeah, we're just gonna move on to the next eye, doing the same exact thing, just a little bit more faster.
I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. I just want the peace, I don't want no problem. See, he got a girl, but that ain't my problem. I'm going through shit. Can you help me solve it? Can you take care of me? Can you be there for me? I can't be your everything. I know she ain't really to me. Falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Demons on my line, they
So now that we're done with both eyes, I'll be moving on to my foundation. I'm using my Maybelline Fitme Mattifying Foundation in 322 and my Real Techniques foundation brush to blend that all throughout my face, and then moving on to contouring.
I'll take the charge, I'ma go hard, I ride like a car. With me, I'll keep you focused, we will go far. Show me you real, show me you loyal, show me you different. My heart is broken, I know you feel it, I can't do this again. Broken hearted girl, I'm living in a very lonely world. I think so much, my mind be in a swirl. I'm up all night, I gotta win, and I don't speak on regret my sins. I bought a little.
Moving on to contouring, I don't normally focus a lot on contouring because I don't need a lot, but I do want to add back the definition into my face so that it's not all blend in one color, you know, it's some definition. And I also focus a lot on my cheekbones because I like my cheekbones to be snatched, honey. But I use rose water on my beauty blender so that it makes everything easier to blend and there's no harsh lines and everything is just perfectly blended out.
Turned all my L's into lessons and moved a few around to receive all these blessings. Like, what do you think this is? I knew it would come to this. It ain't no love in it, but I cannot slip. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. I just want the peace, I don't want no problem. See, he got a girl, but that ain't my.
So to finish off the eyes, I went ahead and mixed that blue turquoise color and a deep blue color and got this pretty green And then I went in with this liquid glitter eyeliner set that I actually purchased from Amazon. And I used this blue glitter color just to put in a cut crease to add a little pizzazz to it. Now guys, if you do purchase this and use this on your eye look, I recommend that you fan it dry because it's so liquidy, it will drip all over your eyelid and mess up your look. And guys, it almost got me. And then I went in with my mascara on my lower lashes. I set my face and my creams with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and baked the hell out of my face. Because like I said, my face is so oily. It needs everything it can get.
I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. I just want the peace, I don't want no problem. See, he got a girl, but that ain't my problem. I'm going through shit. Can you help me solve it? Can you take care of me? Can you be there for me? I can't be your everything. I know she ain't really to me. Falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Demons on my line, they calling, they calling.
To finish off this look and pretty much top everything off, I am going to be using my NYX lip liner, I believe in chestnut, and some clear lip gloss. I'm not really a lipstick person, so I keep my lips pretty simple. And then blend out the setting powder so that everything is real blended and pretty much done.
Show me you real, show me you loyal, show me you different. My heart is broken, I know you feel it, I can't do this again. Broken hearted girl, I'm living in a very lonely world. I think so much my mind be in this world. I'm up all night, I gotta win, and I don't speak on regret my sins, I bottle it in. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling.
Okay, so this is last to the last step. This is probably my favorite part, and that's using a Morphe highlighter palette in the color Mirage. I'm just highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, you know, all the parts that I want highlighter, and I'm heavy on the highlighting. And then I'm going to end with my Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray, and then my Morphe Mattifying Continuous setting spray as well. And yeah, we are done. We are done. Everything is completed. I hope you guys enjoyed my first makeup tutorial. It's going to be many more to come. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm switching things up just a little bit while my hair is in braids and protective styles. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you thumbs up this video, like, comment, subscribe, share. Love y'all. Thanks for continuing to support me, and see you guys in my next video.
I'm falling. I just want the peace, I don't want no problem. See, he got a girl, but that ain't my problem. I'm going through shit. Can you help me solve it? Can you take care of me? Can you be there for me? I can't be your everything. I know she ain't really to me. Falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Demons on my line, they calling. She got a man, but she falling. Fighting temptation, keep stalling. Hit the boost, built them up, true. I was down, they ain't give me no boost. But I'm heaven sent, I can't lose.